Good morning, students. Today, for your classes, we do the same chapters but with the next exercise, that is the exercise 9.3. Before I go for the exercises questions, some theorems are there. You should know these theorems. These isosceles triangles, the module 3 I have written over here. The isosceles triangles, I hope you know what does it mean, that the two sides will be equal and the base angle will be also equal. Now from here, what have we written? See, theorem that the angle opposite to equal sides of a isosceles triangle are equal. That means if these two sides are equal, definitely this opposite side angle and this opposite angle will be also equal. Now you have to prove. I have done the proving over here. How to prove? See, ABC is isosceles triangle where AB equals to AC given in this question. To prove means what? Angle B equals to angle C. You have to prove. Construction I have drawn. AD is a perpendicular by AD is a bisector of angle A and meet BC at D. But it is not told is a perpendicular. This is not told a perpendicular, but it is not told anything about the altitude also. But it is told that AD is the bisector. Bisector means this angle and this angle will be equal. So it is over here. See, like the whatever and the congruency, same thing. In triangle ABD and triangle ADC, AB equals to AC given, AD will be common, and BAD and CAD, this angle and this angle will be also equal, as written AD is bisector of angle A. Then from here you can easily say this is a congruent by side angle side. Now the extra thing, angle B angle C, how to prove? We will write down angle B equals to angle C by CPCD. One note I've written over here, just make you understand in short also. If see AB and AC are given equal, then opposite side, see AB opposite side is what? Angle C, and AC opposite angle is angle B. This you need to be keep in mind. Okay. Next we go for the this theorem only, but the converse one. See what the converse is given. The side opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Now just the opposite given. Now it is given what? Angle is given equal. Now the opposite side will be also equal. Now ABC is a triangle ABC in which angle B equals to angle C given. Now to prove AB equals to AC. Last time we have proved the angle. Now we are proving the side. The construction, same construction written over here. Same do both the triangles I have taken, but here angle B equals to angle C will be given. And AD equals to AD, and BAD and CAD is also equal, as because AD is the bisector of angle A. So from here we can say that by these two triangles are congruent by angle side. Now from here easily I can say that AB equals to AC by how? By CPCD. Now again I have written a same note. See, in this question, in this theorem, angle B equals to angle C given. Then what will be angle B equals the angle B opposite side is what? AC. See, I have written over here AC over written, and angle C opposite is AB. I have written over AB. Okay, this you have to keep in mind. Now I have taken one example, not an example, question from your exercise, that exercise 9.3 for Roman 2 is told to find the value of x of this triangle, means this figure. So from here in the figure, see, it is this kind of figure is given, what this kind of type of figure is given, what this side and this side is equal. I've written over here. Then definitely if this side and this side are equal, the opposite angle and this side opposite angle will also equal. See, RSP and RPS equals 30 degree. Written angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Now in triangle RPS you have to find out the value of x. Now if I find out this value angle, then how to find it out? By angle sum property I get what? 120. These things, angle sum property, these things you have done in class 8 or 7 also. Now same question, see, in the same part of this triangle to find it out the x. Now in triangle PQR, see this triangle PQR, I have written PQR. PRS is exterior angle. You know this theorem also, not a theorem, this part also in the lines and angles you have done in the previous classes, might be in class 7 also you have done, that and sum of two opposite interior angle is equal to exterior angle. Sum of two opposite interior angle is equal to exterior angle. Then from here RPRS equals to 52 plus x. then 120 equals to e2 plus x, and now we're getting x equals to 68 degree. I hope you have understood the theorem, both the theorems, that theorem and the converse also, and this question also. I've given some sum. We have to do these sums in as the homework. Okay, have a nice day, stay safe, goodbye.